Hello everyone and welcome to Workout with Mia. Today I'm going to be sharing with you why women should lift weights. First, let's address a common myth. Many women think that if they start lifting weights, they're going to become like these big men and they're going to be super bulky. But women have 15 times less testosterone than men, and testosterone is what makes you bulky. So naturally, women will not get bulky when you lift weights. Some people still think that women should only do high rep range or else they'll get bulky, but that's not true because we don't have as much testosterone as guys do. Because the heavier you lift, the more calories you burn, and the more you can eat. Studies show that you burn 35% more fat than doing cardio. Cardio burns calories and doesn't put on any muscle, but while you weight train, you burn calories and put on muscle. And the more muscle you have, the more calories you will burn. So when you weight train, you put on muscle, you have to fuel your muscles. Your metabolism is boosted up to 16 to even 38 hours after you weight train. Because look, here are some photos of the same people at the same weight. Obviously, you can see weight doesn't matter. Weight training gives you the curves you want. I know a lot of girls want a bigger butt. Instead of going and getting plastic surgery like the easy way out, you can just get it for free in the gym. It makes you more confident. I have never been confident in my body, ever. But the only time that I am is when I'm lifting weights. Because I know, like, wow, I can squat this much, or wow, I can do this many pull-ups. It gives you confidence. It gives you energy. After you work out, you feel good about yourself, and it helps you stay productive. It helps you want to be a go-getter and like get things done, and it's very motivating. You can set goals for yourself. If you're just doing cardio, it seems miserable every single day, at least for me. And so I never enjoyed working out. It was always like a chore and something that I dreaded because I had no goal. You can only run so fast, you can only do so many miles, but with weights, you can progressively set goals for yourself. Like, okay, I want to be able to do this many pull-ups or this many push-ups, or I want to be able to squat that much. And once you get your goal, it's very rewarding. And weight training is fun, especially going to the gym. If you have like a gym buddy, it can be such a fun experience. Afterward, you feel so just alive. There are so many health benefits that I'm not even gonna mention, but let me just list a few. Mental health, physical health, your heart health. It increases bone density and helps strengthen your bones. Now that you know you should start lifting weights, where do you begin? Well, next week, I'm going to be doing a beginner's guide to lifting weights and everything you need to know. So if you're looking forward to that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Also, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up because it really does help me out with this new channel. And I will see you all next week for the beginner's guide to lifting weights. Bye!